papakita ko sa inyo yung may method gamit kit. Tingnan natin kung singla siya ng ayan o. Ayan lang, ilang to guys. 1, 2. Dito ko, dito mo ira mo. Oh! Ano kay Janet? 27. L guys, L. Balikan ko kaya pag ready na ulit yung mooncat tsaka triceratops. So guys, the mooncat and triceratops is ready now. It's just 77.06 kg. Let's try another one. Maybe we can get a lot more bigger. Just wait. Let me just wait. Hindi naman kasi yung saksakan yan. Yan kasi yung may problema. Alright guys, just be ready. Four mooncat is in here. 4. Yeah. Let's see. Huh? Oh. L.
Land.
Yeah, L. L guys, L. Let's try another one. It's like 4 mooncat and 1 toucan. Let's see if it will get 1,000 kg. But honeysuckle is much more what does it call? Much more I don't know. Much more pricier. I don't know. I think it's much more mahal. Oy, Philippines. Damn. It is gonna be easy to mutate because it's only 1 foot. You know how much it's not. This is not hindi ko English. So it's gonna be easy. Ooh, not bad. With translate, not bad. Wait. Get it. Daw pa, turun pa. Alright guys. The 1 mooncat is delayed because I don't know. Oh, the moon cut does it delay. Why it does delay? Plus the level of it. Look at the level of it. Yeah, it's level 8. How much? Four moon cut in one. Nice. I don't need to move it. I need water can. And wait, what the hell? Wait. Let me use this. Never mind. It's multiplying. It's like 1 million. Now I'm stuck. No! One minute and 36 seconds. Let's just wait. Yeah, I'm just gonna FP from like 30 seconds. Go! 3. Let's see if it's Damn! It's like the hand socket. patatim, This is one more try, okay? We're gonna use sprinkler on it. We're gonna use Godly, Advance, what else? Advance. Ganda siya. Wait, guys. I'm gonna buy, what does it called? Please. Alright guys, let me just, pause this video or if the cut is ready. Yeah. So this will be a transition. So guys, the Triceratops is 124 minutes left. In 3 seconds, I ma-delete this shit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's so trash. Yeah. Yeah. Go on. Why you here? Why you? No! Don't go there. Just go. Where am I? Just go here. Yeah. Please, 5 more cut in a row. Please, this shit is so trash. Come on, like dear. Ew. Five. How much? Ooh, 150. Yeah, mag-keep it. Yung mag-keep this. Alright guys, for all today video. Bye-bye.